Kung bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe, like, and share. At pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng bagong videos ko. Magandang araw mga bata. Ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-add ang mga dissimilar fractions or addition of dissimilar fractions. Fractions, by definition, fractions is a part of a whole. Examples of fractions: 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, 5/6. Those are examples of fractions. Parts of fractions: numerator and denominator. The upper part is the numerator and the lower part is your denominator. Similar fractions are fractions having the same denominators. Example: 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, 7/8, and etc. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. Example: 2/3, 3/2, 4/5, 1/8, and etc. Proper fractions are fractions whose numerator is lesser than the denominators. Examples: 3/8, 8/9, 1/5, 7/8, and etc. Improper fractions are fractions whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Examples: 5/2, 8/6, 4/3, and 9/7, and etc. Addition of dissimilar fractions. Examples: number 1, 1/2 plus 1/3. Para ma-add ang dissimilar fractions na 1/2 plus 1/3, gawin mo itong similar fraction. Ang 1/2, multiplyan mo ng 3/3, plus ang 1/3, multiplyan mo ng 2/2. Then, simplify. 1 times 3 equals 3, divided by 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 1 times 2 equals 2, divided by 3 times 2 equals 6. So ngayon, mayroon na tayong similar fractions na 3, 6 plus 2, 6. I-add mo ang numerator, 3 plus 2 is 5, then kukopyahin mo lang ang 6. So our answer is 5/6. So therefore, 1/2 plus 1/3 is 5/6. Example number 2, 3/4 plus 1/2. Next is gawin nating similar fractions ang dissimilar fractions na ito. Ang 3/4, i-multiply natin ng 2/2 plus ang 1/2, i-multiply natin ng 4 divided by 4. Then simplify. 3 times 2 equals 6, 4, divided by 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 1 times 4 equals 4, divided by 2 times 4 equals 8. Then simplify. Mayroon na tayong similar fractions na 6/8 plus 4/8. Add the numerator, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Just copy the denominator 8, so our answer is 10/8. Therefore, 3/4 plus 1/2 equals 10/8. Reduce the lowest term by dividing by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, our final answer is 5/4 or 1 1/4. Next, example number 3, 2/3 plus 1/4. Gawin nating similar fractions ang 2/3 plus 1/4. So ang 2/3, multiplyan natin ng 4/4. At samantalang ang 1/4, multiplyan natin ng 3/3. Then simplify. 2 times 4 equals 8, divided by 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 1 times 3 equals 3, divided by 4 times 3 equals 12. So mayroon na tayong similar fractions na 8/12 plus 3/12. Add the numerator, 8 plus 3 equals 11. Kopyahin ang denominator na 12, so our answer is 11/12. Therefore, 2/3 plus 1/4 equals 11/12. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.